In this video, we will understand how to create a package where you can give a discount membership package on a particular service only. Let's say you want to promote your dry cleaning services at your store. You can create a package where only 20% discount is given for the every order of dry clean. We can create this package via super admin. Let us understand how you can do that. To begin with, in the super admin, go to admin and click on package. Let's start creating the package. Keep a name for your package. Mention the description that you have for your package so that your customers can understand what all you're giving in this particular package. You can upload a promotional image if in case you want to. Just mention the amount in the package cost. Wallet recharge amount would be zero. Availability for sale is to be decided by you as well. You can decide the number of months or years that you want to sell this package for. The package validity is to be decided as well, where you decide till what time this particular package can be utilized by a customer. It could be in year, month, or days. On the next tab, unmark all services and select dry cleaning. Mention the percentage amount. Keep moving next. You can decide whether you want to sell it on your multi stores or if in case you want, you can just simply go for one store. In my case, I'll be activating this package for all the stores. Now on the next page, you can see the summary, what all you're giving in this package, what is the validity, what is the duration, and what are the descriptions that you've mentioned here. Once you're okay with all of this, simply click on create package. I hope you now understand how to create a package for a particular service discount.